update on the Bazoo. Still needs a lot of touching up, but I got bench seat mounted. It uses the original little rails, and it hinges forward. You get to the battery and everything. So the wiring mostly done. Everything is somewhat tidied up. I've got just a fuel pump, kill switch. I've got a bilge pump. Got lights, which are pretty bright. Kind of got idiot-proof switches, and then starter button. Throttle kind of needs adjusted. It won't idle on its own. I just need a different cable. It seems like I have too short of a throw. That's pretty close to the seat. We'll see how that works. I might just end up putting like an aluminum back on the seat if it gets too bad. What else? Bilge pump. There's only one spot where it clears the chains because these rear axles kind of have a high angle, so there's room at the lowest point for it. Half the harness goes underneath the frame back to here. The other half kind of just follows the throttle cable. It's kind of just, it is what it is. I tried to get away from using a pump, but I had to use an electronic shutoff anyways, so I figured, oh well, I'm still pretty reliant on electronics, unfortunately. I mean, it's still pull start. It doesn't really need electronics to run, but in this chassis, kind of have to get the fuel from there. And if you're going up and down and stuff, you're not gonna, it wouldn't have fed anyways, no matter how high the tank is. So I think pump is kind of the way to go. And instead of having soft rubber lines the whole way, I have a hard line. It kind of goes in between the upper and lower body seam. A couple P-clips there. Comes back here. So steel hard line most of the way. Exhaust. Yeah, everything's pretty well tidied up. We'll see. Just gotta give her fuel. And see if I can set this down. It's kind of a two-handed thing. Give it some throttle. Need to come up with a different throttle cable or idle stop so it idles. Okay, it's getting kind of late. Better turn that off. Pretty pleased. All in a day's work.
Yeah.
Duck for the clothesline. bicycle cable isn't cutting it. Hey, pick up some speed downhill there.
What are you looking at? The chain?
Yeah, seeing if it was skipping. Wonder what that clunking noise was. I'm sure the chains are going to stretch. They're all brand new. Probably have to adjust them again. Yeah, that noise. It's always this one under your foot, right front. At least it's turning now.
Yeah.
Like really good. Now I feel bad. I cut this arm, the linkage, to match the other side.
Yeah.
But it was just because this side wasn't adjusted the same. So now one of my levers is at a different throw. Because I cut them to match each other on a bad adjustment.